Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sirloin Master here and I'm going to show you how to create dynamic poses to improve your artworks. This is a simple yet most times overlooked way to make your artwork look a lot more polished. As an example of what I'm talking about, I have here another illustration that I created for a contest over Instagram. This is the same contest that originated a video about drawing background buildings for lazy people, another one about drawing convincing lightning, and finally, one about creating simple animations to make your social media posts pop. You can check the links in the description below. But now on to dynamic posing. I already have the character designed from the front, from the back, and from the side by the artists that created him. Links are in the description. So my only job is to illustrate him the best way possible. In order for you to focus on the posing, it helps to have the character already designed and thoroughly thought out in a three-dimensional way. It is very important to have good references for this. The first thing is to figure out your basic idea. In here, I'm going for a mirror reflection game, so I will need to draw the character twice. I want him to be using his hands to project a ray of destructive energy, and to convey how powerful his beam is, I decided to make him have to kneel to be able to manage the recoil of his powers. I started sketching him from the side, which would make for a very plain and calm look. Since I'm going for an action scene, I had to up the game a little bit. For this step, it is especially important to use references. Those can be from a mirror, or you can look online for poses. Based on those references, start sketching again. If you are drawing in a perspective, it helps to draw a box inside which you will be drawing your character. And in my case, the box also extended for the character that was in the reflection. Using a perspective like so, it is very easy to see how much more dynamic the composition becomes. And I could have finished there, but I could not figure out how to make the reflection appear in a less obvious way. And to make it not look like the character is just fighting someone that is just outside the window. So I went for a third idea, and it seemed just what I was looking for. Still, it turned out a little bit too stiff, not quite as dynamic as I wanted. The back, the shoulders, the head, and the overall posture was just too straight, as if the powers had no impact over the character's body. So, in the fourth attempt to get the perfect result, I finally got there. Projecting the character's head down and the shoulders back and up would capture the strength of the beam much better. Also, beware of your initial sketches, as there are always ways to improve the impact of your art and make it look like everything is really happening there. Creating a more complex perspective may take some practice to do convincingly, but it is always worth it. And also, as you have the freedom that drawing allows you, It is not only possible to draw inhumanly huge breasts or anatomically impossibly muscular guys, but also to exaggerate the perspective to increment the action of the scene. And even when a more relaxed pose is required, a little bit of perspective can go a long way, even helping to create hierarchy between characters if you have more than one on display. A very simple touch to get your arts game up. A full resolution image for the contest artwork is available on my Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, and the ELPHNT pages. Please follow me everywhere and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to support if you want to see more. Comment down below if you have any critiques, suggestions, or questions. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be seeing you again very soon. Bye bye.